Yo, what it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. You already know what this is. This is Once We're Not Saying, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. ZN, I'm your host, Phoenix the Fireboy, aka P equals MC squared, and this is another episode of Nice Bit of Kit That. You already know how we do. I'm gonna go around, come back, and we're gonna do it like we're gonna get into it like we're doing what we're doing. Let's do it. The plot. What it do, what it don't, what it is, what it isn't. What's good, guys? You already know what it is. Little twirlage, little close up. You know what I'm saying? I'll give you the little look-see, the little clook-see, and a little twirlage. So, my beautiful people, today what we have here is a Stone Island Micro Reps. What would we call this? Parka. A Stone Island Micro Reps Parka in this fetching black colour. Let's get into it. So today you may notice that there's my waist, and this goes quite further down towards the knee. So this is longer than your average, like your trench coat. I don't know if a trench coat is this short, but your Parka length, your normal coat length, this is that. Okay, let's go into the old zip. Once again, we have a YKK zipper. This time it's silver. So you have a silver YKK zipper with a black canvas zip pull. Love the canvas zip pulls, always helpful when you got tiny little fingers and can't pinch the zip like that. So this is always useful. I'm gonna step back. Okay, let's get into it. So left hand side, right hand side, you have these side pockets, not on the front, on the side. As you can see, there's the side. I put my hand in, it's perfect. Guess why? So I can walk down the street with my hands in my skyrocket. This isn't quite walking down the street with my hands in my skyrocket. It's more like, oh, I'm a bit chilly. I'm just gonna put my hands on my beep. It's that kind of jacket. Can you see? I know you don't want to see that, but they're very groinal. These pockets, shall I say, they're groinal. You put your hands in, you're touching groin. Anyway, that's what this is. And there's quite a nice depth to it. Nothing crazy, a little deep, but nothing crazy. I guess you can put a couple small kids, the family dog. You know, you might be able to get a little Morris Minor up in here because they're quite deep, you know what I mean? Slightly awkward now I think about it. I think if it was a little bit higher, you'd be winning. But anyway, these are also, these zips have these sort of lace-like the crinkle reps always have these, I think. These lace-like, what shall we call them? Aglets. These lace-like zip pull, I shall say. And equilibrium is a beautiful thing because you have it on the other side. Okay, let me just zip down. So of course, like I said, you have the inner right there. Oops, let me make sure we can see that. And this has wind resistance and anti-drop finish. Always a good thing to know. As you can see, you've got your spare badge holder right there. Always a good thing. So when you've got to hold your spare badge in case you're, you know, expecting to lose one, you keep one there. And yeah, of course, normal bits right there, Stone Island, Certi logo, etc. Okay, now let me just step back and zip up so we can see this in all its glory. Label still on, brand new. Okay, left hand side, right hand side, you have, let me come closer, as you can see, these button down pockets. As you see, that's like an invisible pocket. You lift it up, you've got this nice rivet, buttons down, you put your hand, oh my god, yep, pretty good. Yep, a few bars of gold can go in there and a few coins of silver. In fact, you'll be able to carry quite a bit in there. And as equilibrium is a beautiful thing, the exact same on the other side. So, you know, you can balance it out like your Libra scales. Enough gold and silver in there to balance out the enough gold and silver in there. Of course, this zips all the way up, not to the base of the neck, to the roof of the neck, but my neck is too Mike Tyson-esque, so it won't zip up, but it goes all the way up there. You can fold this down if you like, and you're good to go. Okay, nice. Let's go to the cuff edges. Left hand side, right hand side. You have this nice, not Velcro strap, it's a rivet button, as you can see, and that gives you two options, un and deux. So if you want to go there just for fashion, you go fashion, but if you actually want to taper, you go to the second button like so, and now your wrist is in, you got the right amount of roomage for your wrist. Again, if you want to go the other way and just leave it as is, then you know it's not too crazy on the roomage side. You know, I would prefer to go the second one. Actually, it doesn't matter, because you know they're both giving you wrist life, so you're good to go. Of course, you have our famous Stone Island badge, not special but special in its own right, as we like to say. Boom, let's give you that, nice and clear. Normal badge, not special process, not a dust, not a shadow, just a normal stony badge. Okay, lovely. Now, eagle eye amongst you may have noticed we have a hidden hood in here. So I'm just gonna unzip this, unzip it, and let's see what the hood is saying, shall we? Look. Of course, you know the thing with these hidden hoods, they're always flimsy as hell, but you know, this one would do the job, stop you from a little tappity tap, but nothing too crazy. Of course, you would fasten it here like so, and you know, it will at least give you some protection from the elements. But if you're expecting to be fine in a downpour, well, I'm very sorry, young man or young lady, this will not suffice. Okay, so that's the flimsy hood. Again, park that away in the fold up area and you're good to go. I'm just going to take the jacket off so we can see if I'm missing anything. You know what my memory is like. Sometimes I'll be missing glaringly obvious things, and one does not want to do that. Okay, so if we look at the back, just get that there. You've got this nice bit at the back, so like a parted bit seam, you know, for when you want to kind of be fly, you just, you know, undo that and you're kind of looking cool, maybe a bit like Batman, you know, zip, button it up and you're left Batman, unbutton it up, now you're Batman. Let me just put that on so you can see, like so, you know what I'm saying, there, right there, Batman put together, not Batman. So yeah, that is that really, guys. Have I missed anything? I don't believe so. This has been a micro reps Stone Island Parka. Now this is actually for sale, so yeah, hit me up. I have an Instagram page which is called Nice Bit of Kit That, obviously _ and yeah, on that page I will be selling bits that I have that I'm trying to get rid of, so please go over to that page and yeah, let me know if there's anything you want there. I'm open to offers on certain things, so yeah, especially if you're a subscriber, follower, friend of the family, shall we call you, yeah man, hit me up. Really dope, really dope. Guys, once again, thank you for watching. I always appreciate it. You already know what this is. This has been Nice Bit of Kit That. I've been your host, P Fire, aka Peter Pan. I ain't got a clue. I'm making it up as I go along. Anyway, you guys have been dope as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, guys, look after yourselves, stay fly, be dope, and I'm gonna catch you on the flip side. Gang, gang, gang.